Best 19 Kids Playroom Ideas for Every Taste and Space. This space proves that playrooms can be chic. Created by Tracy Butler Design based in West Hollywood, California, the room packs plenty of features for keeping kids busy. The navy blue walls and rustic wood floors are what makes the room feel more sophisticated than juvenile. A crisp, white basement playroom by New York firm Eisner Design may be the most stylish place for kids ever. At the center of the space is a cloud-soft gym set. The built-in shelving on the right features a kidney-shaped orange lounger. The back wall is for climbing. Afterward, tuckered-out kids can kick back in one of the 3 cocoon hanging chairs. A color-blocked wall brightens this playroom by Cropat Interior Design out of San Francisco. On the floor are carpet tiles in contrasting colors. Cubby storage keeps toys off the floor. If you do not have the square footage to create a spectacular playroom, these tips from interior designer Lizette Marie, based in San Francisco, share how to make a child's bedroom extra fun. The big top ceiling sets the stage. The bunk bed on the right is perfect for sleepovers and doubles as a hideout. The Circus-Inspired sign that bears the child's name brings a personal touch. For children, nothing is as fun as a secret clubhouse. In this house built by Suburban Renewal out of North Kingstown, Rhode Island, the crawl space under the stairs is a kid-friendly retreat. The interior experts at Eisner Design, an architectural firm based in New York City, transformed a dreary basement into a spectacular play space that kids of all ages can enjoy. On the right are colorful cubbies brimming with toys and boards game. On top of the floor are soft, washable carpet tiles by Floor. The small table and chair set are too adorable for words. An awkward nook in a New York City loft becomes a teensy playroom courtesy of Brooklyn-based interior designer firm Chongo & Company. A mix of seating options whips up plenty of space for playmates. Our favorite touches are the ride on llama and space rocket wallpaper. A world map that points out the indigenous creatures that live in each region anchors a small boys' playroom by Taylor Ford Design. The company is situated in the San Francisco Bay Area. The washable striped carpet tiles are by Floor. Fabric baskets and a wooden storage unit that is child height keeps toys organized. A play table and chair set featuring a board game will keep tiny tots engaged. Bright colors add a joyful element to this playroom by the interior designers at Color Drunk out of Place Decatur, Atlanta. Wall-mounted clipboards over the sofa create a spot to display crayon drawings. A collection of faux taxidermy decks out the left wall. Martha O'Hara Interiors, situated in Minneapolis, Minnesota, turned an oddly shaped room into a colorful play space brimming with built-in storage. Don't you love the mini red ghost chairs? Interior design firm Livers out of the UK creates irresistible living spaces including fun playrooms. This one features a bright floor-to-ceiling world map for inspiring adventuresome young minds. The white lockers and vintage crates placed on wheels keep toys orderly. We adore this Treehouse Inspired playroom by the interior designers at Thinkterior based in Ashburn, Virginia. The Treehouse is a favorite spot for sleepovers. The stage area features built-in floor storage. A faux tree adds to the room's outdoorsy vibe. Not shown in the photo is the rustic home theater and indoor swing. In a New York beach house by Brooklyn design firm Chongo & Company, an attic becomes the ultimate playroom. Moroccan floor cushions and dozens of accents pillows lend comfort. The carpeted floor provides a soft space to play. Ceiling-mounted swings get little hearts thumping. Ignite your child's imagination with this smart idea spotted on the Swedish site, Alvhem McClary. Black washi tape and a small shelving system turn an untapped corner in a kid's bedroom into a playhouse. Notice the second shelf? Thanks to a power tool called a router, it is now a tiny toy kitchen. A small apartment balcony can become an outdoor playroom. This space, featured on the Polish decor blog Martelka, is outfitted with a teepee. A bath mat adds a little comfort underfoot. A blackboard covering the railing provides a spot to write and draw, plus additional privacy. This transitional playroom by Dragonfly Interior Designs out of the Rocky Mountain region is easy on adult eyes. Beautiful gray cabinetry with a built-in window seat anchors the space. A flirty IKEA Maskrose pendant light adds a whimsical touch. Colorful carpet tiles spice up the floor. Pint-size furniture makes the room more inviting to wee ones. The idea of a bunk bed takes on a brand new meaning with this fantastic idea by Urfla blog. Dubbed the Hut, this plywood playhouse creates a cool space for both sleeping and playing. Even better, the elevated lounge area means more floor room for fun and games. There is plenty to love in this child's bedroom by graphic designer Marie Willemsen, situated in Copenhagen. Because the room needs to double as a fun-size playspace, every nook and cranny has a neat feature. Behind the door is a rope ladder. A teensy table and chairs set creates a spot for tea parties or crafting. Even practical storage has a delightful twist. A simple paint job transforms a couple of wall-mounted IKEA cabinets into a whimsical mural. In this home, by Smith & Vonson Architects out of White River Junction, Vermont, a staircase landing was transformed into a cozy little playspace for reading and daydreaming. The purple walls and yellow ceilings set the playful tone. A teensy daybed in front of the window provides the perfect spot for curling up. Built-in shelving stuffed with books and toys keeps things organized. Family photos on the walls are a heartfelt touch. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.